Hello everyone, myself Ed Sakaria and today I will explain you LeetCode question number 1 which was 2 sum. Question says given an array of integers nums, our array of integer which was nums and an integer target returns indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. So let's see example 1. Nums. Nums is our integer array, which is 2, 7, 11, 15, and our target value is 9. We can see in output is 0 and 1. 0 and 1 are array's index. 0 index shows 2 and first index shows 7. If we add both integers, then our output which our target value 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So we implement in our code of this thing. So we first of all our brute force approach is run for loop which was I equals to 0 to nums dot size which was array length, and second for loop which was j equals to I plus 1 to till nums dot size. Purpose of using loops that checks nums of I plus nums of j equals to target, then we return indices, otherwise not, otherwise we return empty way. So let's start. We can write our first loop for I using for loop which was start I equals to 0 till I less than nums dot size, and iteration is I plus plus. Second, another one for loop is int j equals to 0 to till j less than j equals to 0, no, j equals to I plus 1, okay, j less than nums dot size j plus plus, and then we will write if condition. If nums of I plus nums of j equals to our target value, then we return both indices which was I and j, and if we don't have our target sum in our integer array, then we return empty, because we can't return 0 because we don't have any int function, we have int vector. Then we return empty brackets. We check. Yes, our all test cases are passed. You can see here. And then I click on submit. Our code was successfully accepted. So let's discuss about its time complexity and space complexity. Time complexity. Here it's my code's time complexity which was big of n square. Why big of n square? Big of n for any loops like for loop, while loop, do while loop. So here I used 2 for loops. So my time complexity is big of n plus big of n and big of n. So big of n square. And space complexity, here we don't use any other data set. Here we only use constant blank space. then our time complexity is big of n square, but our space complexity is big of 1. Okay, thank you.